So using cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook, I'm gonna chain 7. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet and then 1 single crochet in every chain and 2 single crochet in the last chain. For row 2 and 3, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. For row 4 and 5, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. The following row will be chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. For the next 2 rows, I'm gonna chain 1 and 1 single crochet in every stitch. The following rows will be chain 1, 2 single crochet together and 1 single crochet in every stitch, and the next one will be chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet together in the last stitch. For the next row, chain 1, 2 single crochet together, and then single crochet in every stitch. Then you will chain 10. Once you are done with chaining 10, you're going to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in every chain and then in every stitch, and in the last 2 stitches 2 single crochet together. For the next row, you're going to chain 1, single crochet together, 2 single crochet together, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and then repeat the next row, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and at the end of the row 2 single crochet together. Now working on to the next 4 rows, you're gonna chain 1, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then repeat. Total of 4 rows. And then the last panel 2, construct the number 5, chain 1, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then chain 10. Make a chain of 10. Then again single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in every chain and in every stitch. Then for the next 3 rows, what you're gonna do, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch and repeat. Then you fasten off and number 5 is ready. I hope you find the tutorial easy. Just don't forget to follow the written pattern for more ease. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.